Did you know that combining olive oil and lemon juice could unlock surprising health benefits for your overall well-being? This simple but powerful blend is loaded with beneficial nutrients that enhance energy, aid digestion, and even support certain aspects of men's health. Separately, olive oil and lemon juice offer unique health perks, but when combined together, they become an unstoppable force protecting you from various illnesses. Olive oil has a rich history dating back thousands of years, originating in the Middle East and the Mediterranean. Since at least 5000 BCE, olive trees have played a significant role in human history, making olive oil a staple in various cultures. In fact, olive oil's many health benefits have made it a key component of the Mediterranean diet, which is renowned as one of the healthiest diets globally. Lemon, on the other hand, wasn't always linked with health and wellness. Historically, it was primarily known for its use as a cleaning agent and for food preservation. However, it wasn't until the 17th century that its amazing health benefits started gaining recognition. Today, lemon is celebrated worldwide for its miraculous health properties. And in this video, we'll be revealing what happens if you drink olive oil and lemon juice on an empty stomach. From boosting your immune system to reducing inflammation and enhancing your sexual health as a man, this refreshing combo is a 2-in-1 natural remedy that is sure to revolutionize your morning routine and transform your health for good. So stick around until the end to discover how to prepare this powerful natural remedy from the comfort of your home and learn about its amazing benefits, especially for men's health. Men dealing with high cholesterol levels and other cardiovascular issues are in luck, as several studies indicate that consuming extra virgin olive oil with freshly squeezed lemon juice on an empty stomach can provide a boost to cardiovascular health. The polyphenols found in olive oil have demonstrated the ability to lower blood pressure and enhance endothelial function, or how well the inner lining of blood vessels works. Meanwhile, the vitamin C present in lemon juice acts as a potent antioxidant, reducing inflammation and preventing plaque accumulation in the arteries. Olive oil also contains monounsaturated oleic acid and polyphenols, which contributes to its heart-healthy properties. So replacing saturated fat with monounsaturated fat, such as oleic acid, can lower total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol levels, while raising good HDL cholesterol levels, which is responsible for removing excess cholesterol from the body. If you aim to lose weight or manage your current weight, your top choice is to drink olive oil and lemon juice on an empty stomach right after waking up. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can make you feel fuller and reduce your appetite. This helps prevent overeating, making it simpler to stick to a healthy diet. Lemon juice, on the other hand, contains pectin, a type of fiber that promotes a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. It's also low in calories, so incorporating lemon juice into your diet can create a calorie deficit without compromising flavor. The vitamin C in lemon juice equally assists in breaking down fat molecules, enhancing the body's calorie burning capacity. Similarly, vitamin C aids in regulating cortisol levels, which is a hormone that can lead to weight gain when imbalanced. As a man, your immune system is continually fighting bacteria and viruses that cause illness, so consuming olive oil and lemon juice can provide your immune system with the boost it needs. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant essential for maintaining a robust immune system. Vitamin C aids in white blood cell production, which is important for fighting infections. Olive oil can enhance collagen production, which is essential for skin healing and infection protection. Research indicates that the polyphenols in olive oil can also suppress the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, proteins that fuel inflammation. This anti-inflammatory action safeguards the immune system from overreaction to infections, reducing the likelihood of harm to healthy cells. The mix of olive oil and lemon juice can also benefit men's sexual health, as olive oil's monounsaturated fats support heart health, which is crucial for blood flow to enhance sexual function. Lemon juice's vitamin C equally boosts overall circulation, improving sexual performance and erectile function. The liver acts as a human detoxification station, cleaning the blood of toxins. So if you drink olive oil and lemon juice on an empty stomach regularly, it will aid your liver in doing its job effectively. This is because the citric acid in lemon juice is thought to increase the production of bile by stimulating the secretion of bile acids from the liver. Bile is produced by the liver and aids in fat digestion and waste removal. The antioxidants in olive oil and lemon juice shield the liver from free radicals, reducing toxin accumulation. Olive oil's monounsaturated fats equally lubricate the digestive system, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. This in turn can help to remove built-up toxins and waste products from the body. Men experiencing rheumatic pain may find morning relief with this natural remedy, as olive oil and lemon juice can help ease pain in the head, neck, back, and joints, providing anti-inflammatory properties to reduce swelling and tenderness. Oleocanthal, a compound present in olive oil, prevents the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules involved in inflammation and pain. This aids in relieving symptoms linked to rheumatic pain, like joint stiffness and swelling. Lemon juice, abundant in vitamin C, boosts the immune system and combats inflammation. Vitamin C is vital for collagen production, which gives structure to connective tissues. When inflammation damages collagen, vitamin C assists in its repair and regeneration. This can help alleviate the joint pain, swelling, and stiffness associated with rheumatic pain. According to the National Kidney Foundation, kidney stones are more prevalent in men than in women. However, drinking olive oil and lemon juice on an empty stomach could be the remedy you need to fight this condition. Studies have shown that both low vitamin C intake and high saturated fat intake may contribute to kidney stone and gallstone formation. In the case of kidney stones, insufficient vitamin C can elevate oxalate levels, leading to crystal formation in the kidneys. Concerning gallstones, a diet rich in saturated fats can prompt the liver to produce more cholesterol, leading to stone formation. However, olive oil's antioxidants like oleocanthal can reduce oxalate levels, while lemon juice's citric acid prevents calcium oxalate crystal formation. Olive oil may aid in breaking down cholesterol that can lead to gallstone formation, and lemon juice may help to stimulate the production of bile, a substance that is responsible for the digestion and breakdown of fats in the body. Another potent but often overlooked benefit of consuming olive oil and lemon juice on an empty stomach is its ability to enhance skin strength, promoting a beautiful look and texture that may help prevent premature aging. Olive oil's antioxidants fight free radicals, which are unstable molecules that harm cells and DNA, thereby safeguarding the skin and promoting its health. Free radicals are generated by the sun's UV rays, pollution, and other environmental factors, so it's no surprise that they can accelerate the aging process. But since olive oil contains oleic acid and vitamin E, it can help neutralize free radicals, slowing down aging signs like fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Lemon, on the other hand, contains citric acid, which helps to dissolve the bonds between dead skin cells, facilitating their shedding to reveal healthy, glowing skin beneath. This exfoliating effect can also help to improve skin tone by fading dark spots and discoloration. Now, this brings us to the question: how is this powerful remedy prepared? Well, the process is pretty simple. Begin by pouring half a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice into a glass cup. Next, add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and mix thoroughly. Take your time sipping the mixture, letting the beneficial qualities of the lemon and olive oil seep into your body. If you prefer, you can enhance the taste and health benefits by adding a teaspoon of honey, especially if you find the taste of lemon a bit acidic. After sipping the mixture, take a moment to relax for 30 minutes as your body absorbs the nutrients. For optimal results, follow this routine 3 times a week, every morning before breakfast, for a month. You can repeat the lemon olive oil routine as frequently as you wish, but it's advisable to take a 2-month break between each regimen. After drinking the mixture, refrain from consuming any food or beverages for at least an hour to maximize the full benefits of this powerful concoction. To get the best results, choose fresh lemon that's free from chemicals and pesticide residues. Similarly, extra virgin olive oil is the best type of olive oil for this elixir, as it retains essential nutrients crucial for enhancing your health. Nevertheless, it's super important to be mindful of potential side effects associated with excessive consumption of olive oil and lemon juice. Due to lemon's acidic nature, overindulgence may lead to irritation of the intestines and skin. Therefore, it's advisable to consume this mixture in moderation, ideally once daily. And if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking certain medications, consult your doctor before including olive oil and lemon juice into your routine. This precaution is essential as they may interact with your medications and cause unwanted side effects. Now tell us, have you ever tried this lemon juice and olive oil concoction? If so, what positive effect did it have on your health? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And did you know that there is an easy and simple way to naturally kill belly fat without resorting to medication? Click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover this powerful and often overlooked strategy of killing stubborn belly fat for good. See you there!